In this video, you will learn how to see your subscribers on YouTube in 2021. Open a web browser like Google Chrome. Go to www.youtube.com and make sure that you are logged in with your account to YouTube. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen and go to YouTube Studio. Go to the Recent Subscribers box and click on See All. Subscribers only includes users who have made their subscriptions public. Now you see subscribers from the last 90 days. You can see more subscribers by clicking on that time frame. You can change it to see your subscribers from the last 7 days, last 28 days, last 90 days, last 365 days, or lifetime. If you are having problems with seeing your subscribers, please note that subscribers may not show on your recent subscriber list if they choose to keep their subscriptions private, or their account is suspended or identified as spam. Congratulations! Now you know how to see your subscribers on YouTube.